Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm editing the golf video. It should already be out by now, but if it isn't, it's the next video after this. But I'm editing the golf video. I finished the video with the crazy morning. I finished that last night and I'm uploading that right now. I'm editing the golf video. I got work today. I got workout this afternoon. Yeah, that's what my day's looking like so far. Let's edit the golf video. It's been about an hour or so. I'm halfway through this video, but I gotta grab lunch, like now. So let's go grab some lunch. There goes the fire truck, but I got done working about 30 minutes ago. I got Chipotle and everything. It was good. Forgot to pull out my camera because right when I got done eating, I had to get to work. But now I'm heading to the gym, drinking whatever this is. Pretty good. I'm heading to the gym now. Very hot outside. Very chocolatey. Another fire truck. Yep. I think I did a clip of when I was going to Chipotle, a video on the fire truck. I'll tell you on it. When I got this substantial water bottle with prime powder in it for hydration. I'm not going to take the camera in the gym because it's a gym. So, I'll see you afterwards. Just got done working out. Now I'm heading home. Officially been the next day. I didn't finish recording yesterday because literally I just went home and stayed home, and it wasn't content worthy, so I didn't record anymore. But today I'm going back to my high school to pick up some pictures from graduation and grab some lunch, and then work, and then if the weather isn't too bad, go work out. Cause it's pretty cloudy right now. But let's go to the high school. Picked up my pictures. Yay. Now let's go grab lunch. Bye-bye high school. Grab lunch. Now I'm just heading home. Well, I got off work and now I'm heading to the gym to work out. And after that, I'm probably going to stop by Best Buy to look at some GoPro stuff, and then head to Walmart because I gotta go grocery shopping like an adult. This vlog is probably gonna be like a slow vlog, a slow day pretty much, because there's really nothing else going on, unlike those two people driving like idiots. But nothing going on unlike the two past vlogs where I had a crazy morning and golfing. Let's go to Planet Fitness. I got done working out about 20 minutes ago. All the Best Buy, see what they got. They don't got much. No. Heading to Walmart to go grocery shopping. That's where this Best Buy is about to close down because there's not much stuff in it. Unless they're just not getting a lot of camera stuff. If that makes sense. But off to Walmart. Just got done on Walmart shopping. Now I'm just head on home and dress for the day. Good morning. Welcome to another video. Today I'm heading to a fireworks tent to surprise my friend about an hour or so away. At Starbucks, picking up another friend up around Memphis area and grab lunch with him. And I might buy some fireworks. I might. Well, just got gas. Got my Starbucks still here. Want to pick up a friend and then we're heading to the fireworks tent. Got my phone out because I'm not gonna bring my camera out here just yet. Got a bunch of fireworks out here. Got my friend working in that little camp over there. Other friend is getting stuff out of that box truck. Here's the most expensive firework they got. That's a big old firework. That's what it looks like from the outside. I completely forgot to end today's vlog, so I figured I'd talk about all the fireworks I got. Only spent like $50 on it. Got like these big fuse cracker, look like a big old dynamite looking thing. Called ice sparklers. 10-shot ready to rumble box. A firework thing. It's supposed to be pretty big. And last but not least, a rocket. I had to get a rocket. So these are the things I got for fireworks. I'll video when I launch them. They're over there. 4th of July in like 2 weeks or so. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.